He retorted, I've already thanked you for taking the fall. What more do you want from me? This house is under my name now and Greta will give birth in a few months. There's not enough room. You need to move out. We can't afford to support an idler. In his eyes, 2 years in prison for him was worth only a single thank you. Asking for more made me the unreasonable one. Melanie chimed in, Nina, don't you get it? A woman's fate is to marry and have children, not live off her family. We were hoping to marry you off to a good man and get some money, but now, as an ex-convict, no one will want you. Letting you stay here is already us considering old time's sake. Greta added, exactly. You've been to prison, so you'll be poor forever. If we let you stay, you drain us dry. Greta rubbed her belly and spoke mercilessly. Seamus put out his cigarette and said coldly, Janina, you're grown up now. It's time you understood the importance of contributing to the family instead of causing trouble. Each of their words